Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 in card member funnels. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start authenticating with Auth0 in your card member funnels, begin by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Create a new application in Auth0. Choose the single page application type for your card integration. Once the application is created, take note of your domain and client ID. Next, navigate to the Settings tab within your application. Here, ensure that the Allowed Callback URLs field includes the URL of your card member funnel. Add your card funnel URL to the Allowed Logout URLs and Allowed Web Origins fields as well. Save these settings before moving on. Now, open your card account and access the relevant project. Click on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Integration section and find Auth0. Enable Auth0 by toggling the switch to the On position. Input your Auth0 domain and client ID that you copied earlier. Customize the Auth0 options to fit your funnel's requirements. After configuring Auth0, set up the authentication buttons in your card layout. Add a button element and label it Login or Sign Up. In the button settings, select the action to authenticate with Auth0. Repeat this step for any other authentication-related buttons you may need. Once all buttons are configured, preview your card funnel to test the authentication flow. Check that clicking the buttons redirects you to Auth0's login page. Upon successful authentication, ensure that you are redirected back to your card site. Lastly, make any necessary adjustments to ensure a smooth user experience. Your card member funnel is now set up to authenticate users using Auth0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.